Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily set device type for your Marshall WOBURN III speaker. So, firstly we need to head over to settings, and now we have to go to connect devices. Here we have to tap this gear icon near our speaker, and now we have to scroll down. Here we have audio device type. I do have this grayed out, it's because of the Google Fastpair 2.0, and Google automatically detected my speaker as a speaker. But if you don't have it grayed out because of the older Android version, you have to tap this, and here you will see the list, and you have to select the speaker out of this list. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.